Hey guys, all right, deep cleaning your container, getting that cloudy film off the container happens to everyone. There's an easy fix, and it's not just running a cleaning cycle. It's not just using a vinegar soak. Here's how you do it. Make a baking soda paste. So a little bit of baking soda, warm water, mix it around, and then get in there with a brush. We're using an old toothbrush. Brush out those stains. They're not really stains. They're just mineral deposits that have been left there by the water that you didn't dry off of your container. You ran a cleaning cycle, super clean, and then you just kind of set it on the counter with drops of water. Now the vinegar soak does do a pretty good job. You can actually scrub a good amount of those clouds off the side of the container. Baking soda scrub works like magic. I will say, when we did this, we did soak it in vinegar for 24 hours or so. So try the vinegar first, see what you can get off, and then use the baking soda. It's worth a little bit of extra effort, especially if you're only going to do this every month or two. It's pretty remarkable how clean and shiny you can get your container after using a little baking soda and water and a toothbrush. Here's the before cloudy container, and here's the after next to a brand new container. You can definitely tell one has been used a lot. This is our container we've been using for 2.5 years. Pretty good. If you want to do this baking soda wash less often, after you run a cleaning cycle, the normal warm water and soap cleaning cycle, just dry off the container. Those mineral deposits are not going to have an opportunity to stick to the side of the container, and it's going to stay nice and shiny for longer. And guys, if you haven't already, definitely subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified. If you appreciate videos like this, hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.